Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Remitly account using the web version. Let's get started. First step you need to take is open a web browser and navigate to Remitly website. And once you're there, you have to click on sign up. You see it at the top right corner of the page. Next, you have to choose your country of residence from the drop-down list. Next, you have to enter your email address. So you have to provide a valid email address that you use to log into your Remitly account. Choose a strong and unique password for your account. Then fill out the required fields with your personal details such as name, date of birth, and address. Then you have to verify your phone number after entering it. Now you verify through a text message or a phone call. Then link a payment method such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once you through all this, don't forget to review and agree to the terms and conditions of Remitly. It's as simple as that.